Hi food lovers, I'm Tommy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make turkey leg in a red sauce. It's so easy and it's so delicious. Stay with me, I'm gonna show you. For this recipe we're gonna need 800 grams of turkey leg, 1 glass of white wine, olive oil, salt, pepper and oregano, 3 fillets of anchovies, 8 olives, 1 tablespoon of capers, 400 grams of crushed tomato and fresh parsley. Okay, let's get started. First we need to cut the meat. This is a boneless turkey leg. Okay, the meat is ready. Now let's cut the other ingredients. Anchovies, capers, just smash them. That's it. And the olives. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's put the gas on the medium heat. And let's put the olive oil in the pan. Now let's put the salt and pepper on the meat. Both sides. Okay, the pan is ready. Let's put the meat. Let's turn the meat into the other side. Cook the meat for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Okay, that's good. Okay, those are ready. Let's put them on side. Let's cook the rest of the meat. The meat is ready. Remove it from the pan and put it in a plate. Okay. Now let's put the anchovies, capers and olives. This smell is incredible. Now the oregano. Okay, that's it. Stir it a little bit. At this stage, deglaze the pan. The white wine goes in. That's great. Let evaporate the alcohol. Now let's put the tomato in. And you can add just a little bit of water. That would be enough. Mix it. And wait until it gets boiling. Okay, the sauce is boiling. Add just a little bit more salt. And let's put the meat in. At this stage, handful of fresh parsley, turn the gas on low heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Let's serve it on a plate. Look how wonderful it is. Okay. Let's put the sauce on top. And that's it. Enjoy it, and don't forget, good food is good mood.